Shillong, 1947. Quiet streets, cold mist, and time moving slowly. A hill town at the start of a new journey. This is Police Bazaar. From calm paths to the busiest heart of the city, where every step carries a story. This is Don Bosco Square stands strong, watching generations pass by. Times changed, faces changed, and this is Wards Lake, peaceful then, peaceful now, where time slows down.
Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, is one of the most attractive cities in the country. From an unknown tiny hamlet, it is now transformed into one of the fast-growing modern towns in Meghalaya. Known as the Scotland of the East, it has a unique location and lifestyle. Autumn is the season of festivals and merriment, reflecting the rhythm of dances and a variety of colors. With its own distinct culture, music and social customs, it has come to occupy the position of a vibrant capital of the growing state in the northeast. It is one of the few hill towns in India that are pleasant to live in throughout the year. The joyful people, rolling hills and waterfalls all around unravel the mysteries of this beautiful state.
जिधर का